Hi viewers, welcome back to the kids section of Bar English Academy. Today in our class, we are going with a presentation session. Basically, आज की क्लास में बच्चे कुछ presentation perform करने वाले हैं जो कि सारे टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड होंगे एक ह्यूमन बॉडी से. ह्यूमन बॉडी मतलब हमारा शरीर जिसके बारे में हम सभी को जानकारी होनी बहुत जरूरी है. So let's see how our little champs are going to perform on the topic human body. So for the very first round, let's call
one of the best speakers of this batch named as Ronit. Clap for Ronit, guys.
Hi Barians, my name is Ronit. Today I will tell you about a part of a human body which is respiratory system. So let's start. First when we take the oxygen in, means the air in, it goes to a windpipe which is located here. This hole is our windpipe, and after going the oxygen after flows from windpipe, if it goes to a pipe which is connected to the lungs, which is bronchi, which is over here. This have two sides, one here, one here. This side, this is the lungs. In the lungs, I showed you a balloon, and here it is some ball like sticky structure which have a lot of air inside it. Thank you.
That's really nice, Ronit. You have really put a lot of efforts for your presentation, right, guys? So I really liked your presentation and the way you expressed and explained the thing. Though that was really fantastic. Clap for him, guys.
Guys, you all know about our external organs, means sense organs. And today, but you might know about internal organs, like the organs which are inner in our body. Like, for example, lungs, liver, kidney, and many more things. So today I'm gonna tell you about that only. First, let me tell you about our external organ that are eyes, nose, legs, ears, and skin, I think. And so let me give you some example of it. First, ear. Ear is to as you know, ear is to listen everybody. Like you are listening me right now. Nose. Nose is to smell something. Like if I'm having something or I'm eating it, so have to first smell it. Then eyes. As you know that we all have eyes and we can see the world. But have you ever thought about the people who are blind? How much they feel sad? And then our skin. Skin is to feel everything. Like see, if I'm speaking something, so I'm holding my hand like this. So I'm feeling that I'm holding my hands. And then and now our internal organs. First, let me tell you about lungs. Let me give you one example. If a person who is not smoking and if a person is smoking a lot, so the person who is not smoking, his lungs will be too good, even healthy. But the person who is smoking, his lung would be the color of his lungs will be black and it will not pump properly. Then second, our liver. As you might know about, as you like all know about liver, and some people also have problem in it. Like my aunt, she used to she don't eat anything like junk food, but still she have her liver problem. So thank you. I hope you understand about these things.
Okay, thank you so much, Kavya Bache. Clap for our guys. Okay, that's really nice, Kavya. But there is a suggestion for you, Bache. At last, you exaggerated your explanation, right? So try to not exaggerate. Try to explain the things point to point, so that audience will pay attention on you properly. Okay.
So guys, as we all have many of the systems, and I'm gonna tell you one of them. Yes, as you are right, whatever you are thinking. It is digestive system. Do you know about digestive system? I know when some of the people don't know about it, but I'm gonna explain it. So, do you know that first, in the digestive system, the first process it starts from the mouth, like in this picture. Like I'm eating the food, so I am chewing it from my teeth, and then it's going into my stomach through my food pipe, and do you know that the food pipe helps the food to to go into the stomach, and next is our stomach. It stores the food, and next is our small intestine. The particles of food which we have chewed that goes into the small intestine. Then the liver. The liver makes a digestive juice which is called bile. And next is our large intestine. Intestine helps the food which cannot go in the small intestine, and it directly comes to the large intestine. And I hope you like this. Thank you.
Okay, that's very nice. Clap up, Omega, guys. Okay, it was a very good performance. He explained she explained even everything in a proper way, right? So it was a very good performance, Bhumika. Clap for yourself.